Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver tutorial video. In this video, we are going to explore about the organization. This program is to organize our company's organization structure. Every company has different structure. It depends on how big is the company. So before we start to organize the section, please make sure that our company structure is fixed. When we choose organization menu, in this section, what we have to do is move unregis department on the right side to the left side to our company structure. And it's very easy to using the arrow button. And as you can see, there are organization unit, base date, and save history. Organization unit and base date on the upper side, it has important roles. Okay, the difference between save and save history is save button only for updating the data, while save history is used if we want to see other data and make a change. You can open other menu like organization, history inquiry to looking the progress and when the data has been updated. Okay, back again to organization. The main function of this menu is to organize our company structure because sometimes company has a branch and many departments, so we must to organize it first to make the process easier. And when we change the base date like this, click the inquiry, you can see the progress, the difference between the January and June. It's very easy, right, to use the organization menu on SystemEver. And that's the final of organization explanation video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email. SystemEver, making your business better.